Oh, there she is. Had a feeling it was the oil pressure sensor, so got to looking at it and taking my damn sweet time trying to get it out of there. And as you can see, there it is. Well, one thing to notice too, and it's on the older model 99 or 02, I believe, they don't have that little filter that goes inside the oil pressure sensor. So just for you guys that are thinking you can get a filter out of there or something, there's nothing in there. But older model Silverados, that's how they are. And this is how mine came out. See that? It ain't worth the shit, so surprised it held up for so long. Let's see if I can focus on it. Yeah, well, that gunk is just when I was trying to get out of there and it fell back out down there. So, but as you can see, it's kind of saturated on the inside, so I can tell the oil was getting in there, but rightfully so. You can see how all that shit was getting in there. So yeah, it's time for a new one. So I just went with the Duralast part number. Could have gone for something with the AC Delco, but the auto parts store, they wouldn't give me a warranty on the AC Delco. So I was like, man, the hell with that. I need something in case I gotta go digging for this shit later on again. I don't have to fucking spend money on another sensor. So yep, that's it guys, thanks.